हे फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस। सो एज यू गाइस कैन सी, today's quality is a bit different because I am shooting this video with my camera for the first time. So yeah guys, I'm really excited to show you guys today's video. So today's video is top 5 the most beautiful slimes that we make in 2020. So this is a kind of ASMR plus slime smoothie video. So if you guys like slime smoothies, then please keep on watching. I'll promise you guys will have a great time in today's video. The visuals are literally amazing. So keep on watching, and yeah, let's see the first slime. So fantastics, as you guys can see, this is the slime. Oh my god, look at that slime. I will give the link of this video on I button right now. And this is a Fevigum slime, guys. Oh my god, this looks so good. Oh my god, look at how shiny it is and all the sounds. My god, this video was literally super satisfying while I was making it. It was amazing, and you guys can enjoy the sounds now. This is, by the way, the orange marmalade slime which we made, I guess, second last week. So fantastics, I hope you guys enjoyed this slime. If you want the full ASMR version, you can always head to my second channel, Fantastic Diaries. And now let's see the second slime. So guys, as you guys can see, this is our second slime which you guys suggested me in my community. So if you guys haven't watched that video also, I'll link that video on the I button. So this is my pretty favorite slime. Like, look at this, it looks so good, and all the glitters and stuff. I am in love with the slime, and yeah, just enjoy. I hope you guys are really enjoying this beauty. So yeah, that's all for this one, and now let's see our next slime, which is the third beautifulest slime. So now, as you guys can see, this is the beautifulest eyeshadow slime that we made during the dares video. So yeah, that is also linked in the I button, so check out. And this just looks super amazing. It is a little bit sticky probably because of all the makeup and stuff, but look at this. Oh my god, the pigmentation and the texture is just amazing, and you guys enjoy. And I would recommend you guys to go to my second channel, Fantastic Diaries, to watch full on no talking ASMR of this video. So yeah, that's it, and enjoy this beautiful slime. So fantastic. That's it for this slime. And now let's go to our next slime, which is the fourth slime. So yeah, let's see. So the next slime, as you guys can see, is this baby pink glittery slime. It is a very thick slime, but at the same time it's been a while, so that's why it is a bit sticky. But look at that glitter, you guys. Oh my god, the glitter is literally amazing. And now let's see all the ASMR. So let's go. So fantastic. That's all for this amazing slime as well. And now let's see the next slime. So let's go. So again, I will give you all the slimes recipes I made in this video in the I button. So if you guys want to check out the recipes of these amazing slimes, you guys can just click the I button and वहाँ पे सारे recipes होंगे. And this is also one of the thick slime I made. I think it is from like soft iceberg slime. So yeah, this is like one of the most amazing slimes as well. And yeah guys, enjoy the ASMR. I think this is the last slime, so the slime smoothie making is next. So keep on watching and enjoy this video, guys. So fantastic. I hope you guys are enjoying. So now the next step is slime smoothie. So now we are going to mix all the slimes and yeah, let's see. So fantastic. As you guys can see, here is our bowl और अब हम लोग हमारी टॉप 5 स्लाइम्स को मिक्स करने वाले हैं. एंड दिस सो दीज आर 2020's बेस्ट 5 स्लाइम्स, लाइक बेस्ट ब्यूटिफुल और गॉर्जियस स्लाइम स्मूदी. और हम लोग देखते हैं कि ये स्लाइम स्मूदी कैसे बनती है. सो या गाइज, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू पोर ऑल द स्लाइम इन दिस बोल. So yeah, now you will see, and this is going to be super high definition. So I hope you guys really enjoy. And if you guys want a full-on ASMR version of this, you guys can head over to my second channel, Fantastic Diaries, and आपको सारे के सारे slimes का ASMR plus you will also get mixing ASMR all without talking. So now let's start adding, and we are going to add this much of every slime क्योंकि हम लोग यहाँ पे proportional रहना चाहते हैं. तो हम लोग सारे slimes का इतना क्वांटिटी ही ऐड करेंगे ताकि एक नेचुरल कलर बाहर आ सके. सो ये वाली स्लाइम फर्स्ट ऐड करेंगे. सो लेट्स ऐड. now we will add almost same amount of this slime also, and almost all of this as well, because it is the same quantity. So this one as well, and our galaxy slime as well. I think it is going to turn orangey because it has mostly orange shades, like this one as well, like pinkish to orangey shade. So yeah, let's see. And let's start mixing by pouring it on here. So let's mix now. As I expected, it is a bit orangish purple shade, like its undertone is orange, but it has all the shades, as you guys can see. Now this is how it looks. The texture is super nice, you guys. It's amazing. And do you guys like the quality of our videos? So this is probably first video that I'm shooting with this camera. So what do you guys think? You guys like the quality? Let me know in the comments, and I will love to hear you guys down there as well. And if you guys have seen until here, then please subscribe and like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and comment down this emoji if you guys have watched till here. And fantastics, I really miss you guys so much, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, Farhana Nusrat and Fantastic Farhana. And that's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.